on previous video.
So I need to modify this place.
Really?
Some benches here and lighting set. Yeah, stop. Recently I was changing my workplace. So for lighting purpose, I need to make a table lamp first. So in this video, I will show you how to make a table lamp. Alright, first I went to bike garage and get some bike headlamp casing. If you want to make this project at your home, you can take any bike headlamp casing based on your convenience. First, you need to remove front plastic panel using cutter. After cutting process, you need to grind the edges for good looking. After smoothing, it look like this. And next step to make moving body for the light. That's why I'm using PVC pipes and nuts to make this happen. After installing all the parts except bulb, it look like this. And it works pretty well as I expected. Now the last step is to install the bulb. And this is a filament bulb, so this light can't affect your eye. That's why I suggested this lamp good for reading. So thanks for watching. I hope you like this video and please do subscribe.